Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting a chicken baby. Yes, this baby is being out from the egg. Yes, eggshell and baby chicken. Like that. Cute baby chicken is here. At first we will draw the egg shell. Then we will draw the baby chicken. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Drawing is so easy. You just need to do practice and practice. Then you are also able to draw. Now you draw the two cute eye of baby chicken like that. Always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Yes, now we are using the dark black marker for the bordering the drawing. Yes, like that. We are almost done. And at last we are draw the eyes. At first we are finish the bordering job, then we are draw the eyes, cute eye, like that. We are almost here. So now it's time to learn the colors name. This is our colors: yellow color, red color, orange color. At first we are using the yellow color. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.